Hager, who is in a place where it is still coming down, or was a second ago. Christina, it sounds like Worcester could hit the jackpot.
Yeah, really. And our situation is an illustration of just how windy it is. In all the years we've been doing live shots out on Belmont Hill, Route 9 here in Worcester, this is the first time I can say I ever remember in more than a decade that we've ever had to move our live shot away from the street because it was so windy. Our truck couldn't maintain a steady signal. So now we've moved to a more protected spot. We have a building over here, another building across a narrow alley, a narrow street. And the reason we always pick this spot is because Belmont Hill is a notoriously hilly spot, sort of typical of Worcester's unique situation with elevation and steep inclines, making it difficult for vehicles to travel. While we were out here, I hope we can get you this video we got earlier of a big tractor trailer that made the mistake of trying to make it up Belmont Hill. The city of Worcester had to dispatch special de-icer crews, DPW crews full of sand and salt and liquid de-icer, and they poured that de-icer down by its wheels, which were just spinning and spinning, and slowly escorted with flashing lights to get the truck, and this took a lot of time to get the truck to slowly creep up Belmont Hill and make its escape. But that really is an example of the kind of equipment that Worcester has at its disposal during big events like this, and it has learned through the years that this is what has to be done. 350 pieces of equipment and a brand new emergency operations center where officials can watch on cameras for problem spots and dispatch the appropriate equipment, because there are different, specialized equipment that they can dispatch at appropriate times in appropriate areas as conditions change. This storm, the first big test for that new emergency operations center, the city manager and the mayor said they knew this would be a real test, and it has proven to be, not only because of the conditions on the roads, but also because of the fierce winds out here causing a lot of outages and big visibility problems. In Worcester, Christina Hager, WBZ News. I'm going to send it back to you.